I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt.
Hey, what's up guys? Warren again, back with another video. This is Divine Audio Visual, and we have a cool one for you today. If you're not a subscriber, please smash the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it, and it's helping people find us in the algorithm. Channel's growing. Thank you for all the support from our current subscribers. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, there she is. This is over 160 inches. This is a curved screen, acoustically transparent. See those micro perforations in the screen. Acoustically transparent, curved, Divine Audio Visual Custom. Absolutely phenomenal. The center channel is behind the screen. We have the 502L center channel. Over here on the left and right, we have the 5000F towers, SPL 120 subwoofer, the other 5000F. Over here, we have custom faux finished grills. Behind those grills, Pro 24 RWs. And in the rear, we went for Pro 14 RWs to fit well in those columns. We have some stud limitations there. You see perfect placement here. So we've gone a little bit higher in the rear to make them sound like they're a bit further away from the seat. There's your side surround. Nice dispersion here to the seating location. A little bit of limitation with a stud on that side. Look at that view. Phenomenal. Up overhead, we have the Pro 160s, also with the same faux finished gray grills. And then the bad boy, the Sony 295 ES. This is a phenomenal projector, guys. All right, so that's the system. Show you the rack setup here. There's our rack, super clean. So you've got your Xbox. We're using a Yamaha 2080 receiver. I'm gonna dust that off a little bit. Yamaha 2080. Got all the blank panels on here. Xbox, Harmony remote system, Roku Ultra, network system all in there. This is being bolted. So we reinforced the bottom of this cabinet and bolted it from the bottom. All of the wires were running up here originally. In this cabinet, we've got our Luxel switch, then all our network lines. Ran the wires down and into the cabinet. That's the setup. Let's get you a little demonstration.
This is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced begins. This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sits the mood of the scene, and remember this? It's just the beginning of Dolby Vision. Because what you thought was black isn't. This is black. This is contrast that reveals details deeper than any image you've seen on a screen. This is luminance that means the difference between white and pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color. you've never experienced in the cinema.
All right, guys, I hope you like this system. This one came out great. The client is absolutely thrilled with the outcome, as always. So if you're not a subscriber, please smash the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up. We've got a bunch of great content coming out on our channel. We do custom installations. We also do tech with a tech, which is where you get tech reviews with an actual audiovisual technician, so we can answer your questions properly and help you guys make the best decision for the product that you're looking for. Thanks again for watching. We appreciate it, and we'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more. Figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. I don't wanna try again. All we had were those memories. Tell